The insurance name chart compares the total number of medical procedures performed by insurance companies with the total number of insured procedures performed in the selected medical institutions. This is the total number of unique insurances with prices for medical procedures. Move the mouse over the pie chart to see the total number of services with insurance grouped by insurance company and their relative number. Click on any part of the grouped insurance companies in the pie chart or their name to get the result of filtering by this insurance company. Click on any insurance company name in the legend below the chart to add or remove an insurance company from the chart. Click INV in the legend below the chart to invert the selection of insurance companies from the total number of insurance companies. Click All in the legend below the chart to get all insurance companies. Use arrows to see all insurance companies.